Hi, and welcome to Chapter 24, Learning Objective 2. This is one of our shorter learning objectives. And what we're going to look at here is what actually is contained on that shopping list that the CPI uses. And there's some extra information in here if you're welcome to look at it, um, and that's fine. So let me go ahead and hit share. Okay. So we're going to talk about what's included in the CPI's basket. So there's a lot of information here. Basically, this is how the Bureau of Economic Analysis comes up with Consumer Price Index. Okay. And you're more than welcome to click on the hyperlink, which will take you, to the Bureau of Labor Statistics, not Bureau of Economic Analysis. And if you go ahead and click on that hyperlink, and that'll take you to several pages. It's about this thick, and I usually share it with students. Here's just a big, broad overview. And so here's the typical basket, and it kind of makes sense if you think about what people spend their money on. So housing, rent, okay, or imputed value, mortgages, and so on. Food and beverages and transportation tend to be the three biggest. This one was updated, I believe this is 2020, so kind of gives you a good idea, again, of the relative importance. This is one reason why we strip out food and energy from this, and energy would be included somewhat in transportation, oil costs, and so on, but kind of gives you a good big broad overview. And again, if you're interested in it, please do think about going to the Bureau of Labor Statistics, and it has everything you could ever want to know about the Consumer Price Index. Moreover, it has the Consumer Price Index for regions, and it has the Consumer Price Index for your local area, your county, and so on. So you can boil down to very finite in this if you would so desire. Thanks for your attention, and I'll see you back in the next learning objective. Thank you.